Good morning and welcome back. Today I am back with another video. Today my video is a solution for your wired Android Auto which you have got in your car. Now this is a wireless Android Auto adapter and the make is MSXTTLY. Now why wireless Android adapter? First of all, you get rid of the tangling wires that is coming from your system. Secondly, often the wires cause a disconnection issue in a jerk or in a very rough road, or sometimes your wires get faulty and you face disconnection issues. To solve this problem, my solution is to go for a wireless Android Auto adapter. When the wire is connected to your phone is constantly in charging mode and you can feel that the phone gets very hot. In fact, in my Ladakh trip where I connected my phone in the entire journey, in fact I can easily feel the battery capacity has been reduced drastically after connecting the phone for a constant use for the 16 days. Lekin what will happen in wireless adapter, yes, your phone will get heated but there won't be any constant charge and discharge cycle. So let's first install it, and it's very easy, just plug and play. And remember, this is for the OEM Android Auto systems that comes with your car from the factory. These are not for the aftermarket Android Auto systems. And why I chose MSXTTLY, it has been highly rated in Amazon, so that's why I chose it, and lot of users have stated that this is a very fast adapter. So without any delay, let's start the installation procedure. Before that, let me show you what is inside the box.
थोड़ा हमारा लिए हिंदी बोलो.
हाँ, तो अगर आप वायरलेस एंड्रॉयड ऑटो कनेक्ट करें तो आपका बार बार वो चार्जिंग साइकिल का झंझट भी नहीं रहेगा, वायर्स भी नहीं रहेगा, और फॉर शॉर्टर जर्नीज दिस इज वेरी हेल्पफुल. बार बार आपको रिमाइंड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हमको फ़ोन में वायर को कनेक्ट करना है. इट्स सिंपल प्लग एंड प्ले. तो चलिए इसको इंस्टॉल करते हैं. And in Amazon it's listed at 5,600 rupees and I bought it at 4,200 rupees in this particular Republic sale. So wait for a sale if you don't need it just now. If you want to have the bargain price, so you need to wait for that particular sale. Now what you get, there is an sticker mount if you want to fix it permanently in your car, an instruction manual, an adapter for connecting in your car because the space may be different according to the car model, and this is USB A to female adapter. This is if your car has got a USB C connector. My car is Tata Altroz. So newer cars are coming with USB C also, so you get that also. And this is the adapter. It is just the size of a pen drive. Now before connecting it, make sure that your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is on. Now let's get inside the car. So this is the old USB wire that I used here. Yes, it did not let me down. I didn't have any disconnection issue in my entire car journey. But this is a convenience factor. So let me install it. So let me install it in the USB socket. You see that particular indicator that it has been connected. You can see that smart device option is coming here. Now I will connect it with the Bluetooth. Now go to phone's Bluetooth connection. Now let me see where it is. It is searching. Its name is Smart Box. So it's pairing. Allow access. Press pair.
ये आईफोन में हो जाएगा,
सब में भी हो जाए. You see Android Auto is connected just like the wired Android Auto. It's very fast. Now let's press Android Auto. You will see this Smart Box logo and it happened within few seconds. It is showing connected, but okay. Now the initial first time it takes some time, and initially it was not responding, but now it has connected. We'll try again after exiting from this. Now let me switch it off. I have switched off the system. Now I will try again. Okay, I will shut off the car also.
Entering time lapse parking.
It is showing disconnected from vehicle. Now again I will do this. Let me switch it on. You see Android Auto is absolutely instant. Now I will check the Spotify. Let me see the responsiveness.
Maybe easy.
It's very easy. You see no wires are connected. So it's just like the OEM fluidity. So lag is very minimal because you don't want a phone over here. You can't expect the fluidity of the phone. Let me check with one of the songs if it works flawlessly. So you see touch is very fast and fluid. Let's see another song. You see it's very fluid. So it's working. So Spotify works quite great. Let me check up with a phone also. Let us call. Okay Google, call Jaga Milk.
Okay, calling Jaga Milk.
So you can see the response is quite fast. Let me disconnect it. So the calling function is also very good. Let's check WhatsApp. There is no WhatsApp at this moment. Let's see the contacts. You can see all the contacts. Okay, so it's working flawlessly.
क्या बेनिफिट होता है इसमें?
बेनिफिट मीन्स आपको वायर्स का कोई झंझट नहीं रहता है. यू डोंट नीड टू टैंगल विद वायर्स. दिस मेसी वायर्स यू डोंट नीड. इट्स सिंपल. यू गेट द एंजॉयमेंट ऑफ wireless Android Auto of premium cars or top end model cars. It's easy. You don't need to remind every time while you come to the car, connect to your wire and start Android Auto. Once you connect your phone, it easily gets connected. Now let's start with this another phone. We want to see whether this one connects seamlessly or not. So this is another phone. The first time takes some few seconds to communicate between your phone and this particular your handset, but you see in this phone the connection was much faster than my phone because this phone is having a newer chipset. So remember, if you have a faster phone, कनेक्शन विल बी मच फास्टर. अगर आपके पास नया ज़माने का चिपसेट का फ़ोन है, इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट फॉर कनेक्टिंग फास्टर. इट विल बी मोर फ्लूइड.
समझता है जितना स्वीट देगा है.
हाँ एकदम. तो सर्च कीजिए. ये एकदम नया है, इसमें कुछ है भी नहीं. ओके गूगल,
बहुत ऐसा करो.
ओके गूगल, टेक मी टू रविंद्र सरोवर. Okay, it's working. So it's also working and it's very fast. Once you bring it near the phone, it gets automatically connected. This particular phone is running on Android 13. So let us check. It is connected. Let me show it in the settings menu. Okay. So this is the first time since I connected an another phone. दूसरा फ़ोन को कनेक्ट किया था, इसीलिए संग नहीं हुआ. इसको रिमूव कर दिया था, तो ये आ गया संग. यू सी एंड्रॉयड ऑटो इज़ अवेलेबल. सो इट्स हैपनिंग इन फ्यू सेकेंड्स.
उसका शादी प्यार हो गया.
हाँ, तो बार
ऑफ होने से भी उसका शादी हो गया.
तो आ गया. देयर इज़ अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स डिले फॉर द इनिशियल कनेक्शन. And let's check again whether this one is working or not. Okay Google, take me to Charu Market. Okay, so you see it's responding very fast, just like your OEM wired connection with a very few seconds delay. So this is a very good unit and you can buy it if you want, or the links will be in the description box if you are interested and get rid of tangling wires. और ये काफ़ी एक अच्छा सॉल्यूशन है और आपका ये बार बार डिसकनेक्शन का इशू भी नहीं रहेगा. वो सिर्फ इनिशियल पीरियड है, जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप कनेक्ट करोगे देयर मे बी अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इशू, बट वंस इट कनेक्टेड इट कनेक्ट्स ऑटोमेटिकली. सो लेट मी शो यू अगेन. आई स्विच ऑफ द कार को स्विच ऑफ कर दिया, फिर आके कार को स्टार्ट किया. Once I started, you see automatically it gets connected and I can go to Android Auto directly. So it remembers that it is being connected to the phone and you see it happens इंस्टेंटली विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम। तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा चीज़ है, आपको वायर्स ये सब कनेक्शन का ज़रूरी नहीं है। एंड इफ़ यू हैव एन एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन रनिंग 11 एंड above, you can buy this product and get rid of all wire disconnection issues and enjoy the premiumness of a top end car। तो मेरा कार Altroz है, तो जो टाटा कार ओनर्स है, दे कैन ऑल्सो ईजिली गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम एंड this is very fast and response is very good. So if you think the video useful and if you think that this particular product will be of your help, then you can definitely buy this product. And if you have any questions regarding this purchase and connection of this particular product, you are free to comment in the comment section below। अगर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है इसका बारे में तो आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं, और यू कैन ऑल्सो मैसेज मी इन माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज और फेसबुक पेज। आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू आंसर फॉर यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड बाय एंड नमस्ते। ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और हमारा पेज को फॉलो कीजिए।